Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 1 Illingworth Lane in Ajax. That's right, we're in Ajax and we're gonna show off this beautiful, exclusive townhouse community. It's only got 50 houses in this community and it's covered in nature. Not to mention an amazing golf course just across the street. Now for the house. It's a beautiful corner townhouse. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, just over 1,900 square feet. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, what'd you guys think about that tour? I know it looks great online, but I guarantee to you guys it looks even better in person. My contact information is gonna be on the screen, so I encourage you guys to get a hold of me. Until next time, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.